in the sun. Whoa, lie in the sun. Now I've been to many places and won so many races. I was a child, yeah, but now I only.
The sun is coming up. We're in Nassau. What else could you ask for? That is just beautiful. That's why you come to the Bahamas, for sure, is the weather. All right, today we're back in Nassau again. We were here, what, 3 months ago?
Yeah.
And we showed you, I think it was Balmoral Island and the Nassau town tour. Don't miss those videos. I'll put the links in the description. But today, we are here for something unique and different. It's a food tour. And we don't know what it's going to be like. This will be the first time we ever did this. I'm excited.
So am I, yeah.
And so make sure you don't miss this video. It's going to be a great one too. Please.
Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
And don't miss this food tour because I'm hungry.
Me too, I'm excited.
360. The sun's coming up. Check it out. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. All right, this is cool. Pompeii Museum, which is on Bay Street. All right, here I am walking to Rawson Square, which is where this tour is going to begin. It's a food tour that is going to take us through Nassau, and we're going to be able to try different things, foods, whatever. It's going to be exciting. So much architecture in Nassau. Look at this gate. Yeah. We arrived in part of Rawson Square. Now I'm just trying to find my party. I see deadly black tarantula. Here we are, the marketplace. Look at the colors in here. It's right across from the port. Check it out for sure. Make sure you're stopping in the marketplace because look at everybody getting their hair braided. But when you come in here to shop, it's very colorful and beautiful. And if you get lost, find this sign. All right, right here is where your tour will meet, at the bronze Milo Butler statue. I think we're here. Let's get this tour started. There's the Parliament building. Look at these buildings in the Bahamas. And make sure you're walking back some of these side streets. There's even more architecture, shops, everywhere you look.
I can't turn it off.
Here's the tour, and there's our tour guide.
Get some food, you're gonna know what you're eating, you're gonna know how it's prepared, and then you're also gonna learn a little bit about our history and culture, okay? So we have 6 tastings, comforters, a no-name Bohemian dish, which is steamed chicken, peas and rice, baked macaroni, fried plantain, and coleslaw, right? That's just at our first stop. And then you're gonna have conch chowder, chocolate, conch sliders, a rum punch, and to top it all off, you're gonna end with dessert, which is rum cake. So it's just a little over a mile long, just a little, but you're not gonna feel it, I promise.
Here we go to our first stop. There is going to be a lot of food on this tour. I'm getting a little nervous. Our first stop, Bohemian Cooking Kitchen.
She is actually her oldest daughter, and when Miss Wallace came up from the outer islands, which is every other island except for New Providence, right? We also call them the family islands. She came up to Nassau, just like most people. She worked in hospitality. Hospitality is the most lucrative industry in the Bahamas. So it has everything, tables, chairs, plates, everything she needs to open up a restaurant. What problem? Hi, right? And she would go out, bring you back in, set your table, seat you, take your order, serve you water, cook your food, clean your table, check you out, clean the restaurant, and then close it up. All by herself. So Calypso Sauce is just ketchup, hot sauce, mayo, you know, a little bit of lime juice. And if you want something more kick, you put pepper juice in there, right? Right? And it's just a native limeade. It's made with native key limes, sour oranges, water, and then sugar to taste. It's really good. Yeah, I wish I could have some. We have this bowl of cookies. You don't measure anything. You do not weigh anything. You say, yeah, I feel like
I've had these before. These are a staple in the Bahamas.
Right? We speak really bad. We say how old they is now. You don't say how old are they. How old they is now. They go to school yet? So I'm gonna leave you guys to enjoy your food. And if you need me, you can just call out, Athena, and I'll be right here, okay?
We just finished our stop one, and let me tell you, it was a lot of food. Conch fritters, some peas and rice, chicken, and mac and cheese. It was excellent. Now we're heading to stop 2 for some conch chowder. Athena Cafe. Stop number 2. Alright, we're at Athena's Cafe. This place looks awesome inside. And we're here for the conch chowder.
So right now you're gonna have conch chowder, which is something that actually takes quite a few hours to prepare. So we're just kind of like, oh, okay, yeah, that happened. We know, and I remember this is John's side. You know, I thought it was bad. It's just that, you know, when you're a kid, you have a short attention span. It's just like, I don't.
Okay, guys, enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, we just finished up stop 2 for the conch chowder, and it was excellent. On to the next. Look at that old church.
It's the oldest standing wooden residential structure in all of the Bahamas. It was actually built in the 1700s. There are many reasons why this house is quite famous. We're going to start off with why it's important to us, like Bohemian people, right, in our society. One, it's because Stephen Dillard actually lives here.
All right, here it is. The oldest building in Nassau, the Bahamas, called the Balcony House. Now we're continuing on to our next stop, which is the Candy Factory. Can't wait for this one.
This was a property that was actually built before our independence. And what happened is that during the time when the English actually took control of us, because they actually weren't the first people to actually discover us, the English. And before them, we had Christopher Columbus. Columbus lost a shoo-shoo, I ate a bag of juju and called it kangaroo. Carried them there, they mined the gold mine, and within 25 years, the native population was gone.
Now this tour, we are now heading to the chocolate, but this tour also has a lot of history. It is awesome. A must-see tour. Let's go get some candy. Look how beautiful this street is. We're heading to the chocolate. Great Cliff.
The property was originally built by a retired pirate, John Graysmith, and because this is on a little ridge, he named it Grey Cliff, and his ship was the Grey Wolf, right? So he actually retired, built this colonial mansion for himself, but he didn't get to stay in it for more than 30 years because we were captured by America twice, right? Once during the Revolutionary War, and this was actually used as a garrison at the time, but it's really the cats who run the property because they just come around whenever they want. You see them more than the actual owners.
Look at these hand-painted tiles in this pool. This tour has so much more than just food, history, all kinds of things. Largest bamboo I've ever seen.
Right? So he started with his cigar factory after they bought this boutique hotel. And afterwards, he was like, okay, I I'm gonna try my hand at chocolate. And he convinced Erica Vickery Davis, an African American lady, to come down to the Bahamas. She is originally a pastry chef, and she's been on
It's white chocolate.
I'll tell you one thing, this tour is just great. Not only are you sampling all the food, but it's all about the history here in Nassau. Whoever would have thought they had a chocolate factory in a place that's 80 to 90 degrees all the time. We're at our last stop, I think. Some kind of slider. Conch sliders? Conch slider. On the food tour.
You can stop as much pain as you want, as you can, but you cannot change the fundamental structure of the building.
You like that?
Now we're gonna head to Town Hotel, which is gonna be our second boutique hotel.
Alright, I don't know what stop that was. I think it was number 6 or number 5. I think there's 6 stops. But now we're going to the bar, I guess, for some kind of punch. Let's check it out. But let me tell you, this tour was very exciting. I can't say enough about it. You must try it. Again, I'll put a link in the description for the tour. And you must try it. So fun.
It was when I was pregnant. You know what? We wouldn't have known you guys because I was pregnant.
If anybody needs a turtle cup under the building, the totals that are actually inside the hotel. This punch is the oldest.
Alright, here we are. Planters Punch are next to the last stop. Did these look amazing or what?
So it has pineapple juice, grenadine for color and for taste, dark rum, white rum.
Look at these trees and shirts. So beautiful. Here we are, off to the rum cake. I can't wait for this one. Alright, a special shout out and a thanks to Eleanor. You were a great tour guide. We love this tour. And we love the Bohemian people for sure. I'll be back. Been there many times. And I'm sure I'll see you again.
And if you did enjoy your experience, please do not forget to leave a review. It's true Bohemian spells very wrongly without the E at the end. And the rest is spelled correctly. And before I let you guys go, I would like you guys to tell me your favorite part of the tour, okay?
I love to wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without wording. The day is gone. And sometimes I take a walk, but I forget about the clock. I can slow down.